everyone, this is Maria from the Sewing Room channel. I'm back again with another shopping trip at Joann's. This time we're going to take a look at their cotton fabric selections that they had available while I was at the store. And we're starting off with the pink and red fabric options that they had. For the most part, they tend to separate by color, which makes it really easy when you're shopping. They had some flannel looking options. I love that kitty cat meow pink fabric. And then the unicorn, some doggy fabrics. Again, that unicorn with the rainbows is so cute. Got the either kitties or dogs dressed up with maracas. How fun is this fabric? It's pink with green avocados and they're kitties. Some pink and black gray flannel. Some sloths. I love the bright pinks. Pink's one of my favorite colors. Here's some mermaid fabric, donuts, yum. Some swans with like a almost peachy, more peachy than pink. I loved this one with the different limes and lemons. A little fashionista. Love the lemon with the black stripes. That multicolored feather fabric. So fun. This section had a lot of animal fabrics. Look at the cute little lions. Llamas on like a almost minty sort of blue color fabric. Here we're looking at, now we're kind of getting into more of the greens and blues. There were a lot of lemon fabrics while I was there, which is great for like a summertime or spring project. Panda bears with bamboo. Now we're getting into the blues. How fun are those mermaids? If you're doing like a little under the sea thing, or if you have any fans of mermaids. S'mores, it's my favorite summertime treat, really any time of year treat. That doggy fabric that says woof bow, we did wind up buying some of that. We thought we would use that to make some doggy bandanas. Again, more unicorn fabric option with rainbows. I tend to be attracted to all the fabrics with food. I must have been hungry this shopping trip. How cute is that fabric with the French bulldogs on it? So when we were at the store, they had just gotten a shipment in of brand new fabrics to put out on the shelves, which apparently happens every Sunday. And then by Monday, they said that they tend to have everything out on the shelves. I don't know if that's just my store or all Joann's, but now we have that insider tip to go over there on Sundays and Mondays. I wound up buying some fabric right off of the cart with all the new stuff on it. It was so adorable. I love that Disney fabric. We're huge Disney fans, me and my family. That's the fabric that I wound up buying, the avocado Christmas fabrics. Love all the bright colors on some of these. A lot of planet options. Some mermaid fabric. That'd be cute for like a little throw pillow for maybe like a little girl's bedroom. More animal fabrics, great for doggy bandanas. We definitely are going to have a tutorial coming out on how to make some doggy bandanas for all you dog lovers out there. I thought this was really cool with all the different dress forms. Money fabric. How cool is this mustache fabric? Girls hanging out at the pool. Love that one as well. That'd be cool for a mask or maybe even a tote bag. More mermaid fabric. I love watermelon, and I thought this was so pretty, the combination of colors there. I really must have been hungry this shopping trip. The little ice cream cones and donuts. That's fun, the pool floats. More food fabrics. Another watermelon fabric option. Donuts. I love all the bright colors on these fabrics. Little foxes, some little insects and animal fabrics. Cute are those ladybugs. Here's some more dog fabric. So fun and cute. Little dogs surfing. Well, that is the end of this shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see more shopping videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.